I know.
Are you filming or?
Yes, I am.
It's a lot of snow.
Like about 6 or 7 inches, right?
6 inches at least. Yeah.
This is what we're going through right now. It's March 30th, 2014, and we have blizzard conditions. They didn't say anything about snow. And then earlier today they said 1 to 3 inches. Yeah, we got a lot more than that. It's pretty bad. And it's really heavy snow. Well, you can see it coming down. It's pretty bad. And the wind is very gusty, which makes it really blizzard-like conditions. As you can hear, I'm pretty sick, so I unfortunately cannot go out and help. Poor guy out there shoveling. Hopefully this is the last storm of the season. Try to clear it off. At least it's not so bad in the morning. I wonder if they'll have to close school even though it's supposed to be in the 50s tomorrow.
And it's really heavy.
Yeah, I know. Take it slow, okay?